Well, hey everyone, welcome to Jason Explains Things. We're on location. My family and I are up here camping near Mount St. Helens. We have a fun Tacoma and 4Runner mod we're gonna be doing today. I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but there is an amazing YouTube channel that makes Toyota off-roading content, and I'm actually not talking about myself. I'm talking about Kai from Tinker's Adventure. Now, Kai is an engineer by trade, but he also does a lot with the off-roading space, and he has these amazing videos that explain suspensions and how to fit bigger tires and all sorts of things for all these trucks. But he also makes products that are just as highly detailed and awesome as his videos are. His first product was this beautiful bumper for the FJ Cruiser, but now he's released these series of shift knobs. They're made of aluminum and they have tons of awesome features, and so we're gonna be swapping those out for both vehicles. So let's start by doing an unboxing of what you get, again, for the Tacoma and for the 4Runner, and then we'll swap them out. You'll see how easy that is, and you'll see some of the really cool features that Kai's come up with for these shift knobs. So let's do it.
FYI, this video is not sponsored in any way. Kai sent me the shift knobs just to get my thoughts, saying not to worry about making a video. But seeing them in person, I think they deserve the spotlight. I love supporting creators that work hard to build their own businesses and provide real value to their audience and customers.
All right, so we have 3 shift knobs we're going to be installing today. This one is for the automatic Tacoma, 2016 through 2023. And then we have 2 for the 4Runner because the 4Runner has, obviously has the shift knob for the automatic transition, but also has the transfer case shift knob. So this one can be used on a variety of models from the FJ Cruiser 4Runner, the Tundra Sequoia, and also the 100 and 200 series Land Cruiser. And then this one is for the FJ Cruiser and the 4Runner. All right, so starting off with the Tacoma, again, this is the Ranger series, so we're gonna get into this more later, but it says the world's first patch-compatible shift knobs. We'll be getting into why that's cool later. So we open the box, and Kai, again, being an engineer, he's got his instructions right here. So don't look at that, you're gonna need to watch my video. So here is the shift knob. So as you can see, beautifully designed, beautifully made. This is the patch we're talking about, and we're gonna see that it comes with a couple different options as well. The shift boot clips right in perfectly to this. And so awesome, good stuff, but it's incredibly customizable. Let me show you how.
Before we customize, let's install it. While parked on a level surface, unclip the shifter boot from the base of the stock knob. Turn the knob counterclockwise and remove. With the patch removed, thread the Ranger shift knob on until tight. Then back it off so your alignment is perfect. Then use the included 4mm Allen wrench to tighten the set screw on your new shift knob so it never comes loose. Click in the shifter boot to the base, and notice how that ugly plastic chrome is gone. The main install is done, but we still need to personalize it. When ordering your shift knob, link in the description, you have several options to customize it, including different colored rings, as well as black stainless or matte gray metallic screws. Kai threw in several of these, so I'll show you what they look like. After going back and forth, I settled on a red ring with gray screws. Now I have a preview of a potential additional option, and that is the material for the top section of the handle. Let's take a close look at the top pieces. So this is the one that it usually comes with. This is aluminum and black, very, very nice. Now Kai actually sent this to me, and Kai, please correct me if I'm saying anything incorrect, but this one is plastic, and he actually sent this to me because I kind of suggested that maybe in some climates having a metal shift knob might be uncomfortable when it's extremely hot or cold, which it gets here in the Pacific Northwest quite often. So I think I'm going to opt for this plastic piece after going back and forth between these two over and over again. I can confirm after using the shift knob for a couple weeks that the top does remain cooler in the summer, so Kai, I recommend you sell this. Guys, leave a comment down below if you agree or disagree.
And here are the shift knobs unboxed for the 4Runner. You have this nice long automatic shift knob, and then you have the little transfer case shift knob. Amy, primary driver of the 4Runner, what color combination do you want on your shift knobs? You want black screws or gray screws?
I want black screws.
Black screws, okay.
And I want the red band on there.
Oh, okay. I can do it.
I want the TRD
patch?
in the middle.
Okay, it can be done.
Do it.
All right.
Removal and installation is the same on the 4Runner as the Tacoma. I don't know if you guys have this problem, but I noticed that the stock 4Runner shift knobs like to become loose pretty often, especially the one for the transfer case. So these not only look and feel great, but are way more secure.
Awesome. Well, I think that has to be probably the easiest install of all time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do yourself a favor, go subscribe to Tinker's Adventure on YouTube and check out his products, including these Ranger shift knobs. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, and God bless. 2 years ago, the whole family got traumatized, so we're doing it again for fun. All right. No cave trolls yet. Hi, Marley.